So today's a special day for all the Huawei fans. Their latest smartwatch, the Huawei Watch Fit 3, has just landed. And let me tell you, it's turning heads with its refined design and impressive features. One thing to note is that this is a global launch, so you can expect to see the Huawei Watch Fit 3 hitting markets worldwide. However, availability and pricing may vary, so be sure to check with your local retailers for more information. Hey, quick heads up! This isn't your typical review video. I'm just here to make things easy for you. If you like it, hit subscribe. Now, let's get back to it. Right off the bat, you'll notice the Huawei Watch Fit 3's larger display and premium aluminum build, giving it a sophisticated look and feel. Plus, with the addition of a rotating crown and a second action button, navigating this beauty is smoother than ever. And get this, it's the thinnest and lightest square smartwatch Huawei has ever made. But it's not just about looks with the Watch Fit 3. Huawei has seriously upped its game in the health tracking department, with features like breathing awareness, health record for the whole family, and more. This smartwatch is all about promoting holistic fitness. While it might not be a total game changer, it's definitely a solid upgrade for anyone serious about staying stylish and fit. Now, onto the specs. NFC, which was missing from its predecessor, makes a welcome return in the Watch Fit 3, allowing for contactless payments. Just keep in mind that NFC payments may not be available in all regions at the moment. In terms of sensors, the Watch Fit 3 packs quite a punch with its optical heart rate sensor, accelerometer plus gravity sensor, magnetometer, and ambient light sensor. Plus, with GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, and QZSS positioning systems, you can expect accurate tracking wherever your adventures take you. But what about the display? Glad you asked. The Watch Fit 3 boasts a gorgeous 1.82-inch 2.5D AMOLED display with a whopping 77.4% screen-to-body ratio. And with a maximum brightness of 1500 nits, it's easy to see even in bright sunlight. Alright, shifting gears to fitness. The Watch Fit 3 has your back with over 100 energizing workout modes and auto detection for 6 types of exercises. Plus, get ready for fitness courses right on your wrist, complete with exclusive animations for warm-up and cool-down stretches. Huawei's TrueScene 5.5 system in the Watch Fit 3 promises improved heart rate monitoring, backed by upgraded sensors and AI algorithms. The TrueSleep 4.0 system offers advanced sleep tracking, including sleep activity detection, personalized sleep scores, and features like sleep breathing awareness for detecting sleep apnea. Plus, there's a handy nap mode to wake you up after 30 minutes of rest. It's all about enhancing your health and sleep quality with Huawei's latest tech. So, when and where can you get your hands on one of these beauties? Well, if you're in the UK or Europe, you're in luck. The Watch Fit 3 is available now. You can snag one from the Huawei store, or wait until May 22nd when retailers will start selling them. And as for the price, you've got options. The Watch Fit 3 with a fluoroelastomer strap comes in black, pink, green, or moon white, and will set you back £139.99 or Euro 159. But if you prefer something a bit fancier, the pearl white model with a leather strap is priced at £159.99 or Euro 179. That wraps up our overview of the Huawei Watch Fit 3. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.